Hello everyone, today is just a quick video to show you a new collection. Christmas is still on, even though we finished our Christmas in July series. I want to show you something that just came up today, so it's been made available by Spellbinders today. It's a collection by Lisa Horton called All About Christmas. And this die set here is called Bow Bell Scallop Frame dies. So basically what you have here is 4 dies that you can just mix and match and use together to make panels, to cut these frames here. Very nice. Apart from this one, which is the second that you will use it with this one here. Let me just show you, and I'll show you what comes up with that. So you use with this one here and you create a frame. If you don't want, you just take this out and you're going to have just a solid scalloped frame. So very nice collection because you can mix and match, and these are all stitched. See, these frames here are stitched, and it also makes a bow and a bell. So let me show you everything. Like I told you, see, depending on which frame you use, you can get this thinner, thicker, a little bit thicker, and even thicker than that. So it depends on the size of these dies here. Let me show you. See, because each one is a different size, and depending on how you use it, you get a different thickness of this frame. So that's the frame, and all same thing with without the scalloped one. You can get it to be thin like this, or if you don't use one inside, it's going to be just straight like this. It will be solid like that if you don't use two. So basically it's a mix and match that you have, and you can use it in so many ways, and I'll show you what I made with it. See, these are different panels that I created with it, and let me show you the bell and the bows. So here are the bows. How cute is that? And here's the bell. So you can use even the bell here with the bow on the top like that. Let me just make one. Yeah, you can use it like this, the bow with the bell, and of course you can use it on top of these frames here. So how beautiful is that? So let me show you what I made with it. So again, it's all about Christmas, and I will have the link below. Let me show you what I made with this collection. And here is a quick example for you of a panel. I'm going to use this on a box, actually a gift box, but I used this out here, the scalloped. Let me show you close like this. So I used the scalloped, and you see how thick it is. It means that I used the second one. So first, second, third one, the stitched one. So I use these two together, and that's how I managed to get this kind of thick outline in here, this with the scalloped and the third one. And then I made a panel with the smaller one, this, see, I made a panel with that. And that's the great thing about this die set. You can use in so many different ways. I used the beautiful bell with the bow, and I just added a sentiment, winter wishes. So that's just one idea for you. That's it for today. I'll have the link below to this collection, and that's it. Yeah, guys, continue. From now on until December, we're going to have a lot of Christmas, okay? I may be announcing very soon my Christmas craft fair I was going to say collection, not collection, but the craft fair series, which is a hit every year. We're coming up with a lot of ideas, but that's one of the die sets that I'll be using a lot. So thank you so much, and you have a wonderful day.